Hey everyone! Do you want to know how to create a group chat on Instagram so you can chat with multiple friends at once? Group chats are a super convenient feature, and the process is really easy. So follow along and watch the video until the end to make sure you don't miss any steps. The process is the same for both iOS and Android, so let's jump right into it. Open Instagram, swipe to open your messages or direct messages. To create a group chat, tap on the little new message icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll need to add the people you want in your group chat. In the search bar, type the names or Instagram usernames of the friends or family members you want to include. Select them one by one. For this example, I'll add 2 people, but you can add as many as you want. Once you've selected everyone, simply tap on the Open Group Chat button, and just like that, your group chat is created. Now, you can start sending messages, and everyone in the group will be able to see and respond to them. If you want to customize your group chat, click here to add a group photo or change the chat name. It's that simple. And that's it. Now you know how to create a group chat on Instagram in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a comment below and hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.